This is a short tutorial on how to write Igbo using the Ndebe script. So first of all, you want to go to ndebe.org and pull up the chart for the Ndebe script. Now, looking at the chart, to figure out what you want to write, you have to decide whether or not what you're writing has any possible alternative pronunciations. So, for example, if you wanted to write the word uno, which means building or house, you should know that this word is sometimes pronounced by people of other dialects as ulo. And so that means that instead of writing uno with the character for the plain N, you want to do that with the character for N/L/Y, because sometimes this word is pronounced uno or ulo, or even in some dialects is pronounced uyo. So that character is the second row. It is the slant body and the loop radical. And so you go over to wherever you're writing. And basically, in terms of how you should write the characters, for the standalone vowels, or the vowels that begin a word, they should float in the middle in terms of the height compared to the full syllables. So uno is a high tone and a low tone. So it's u, no. And so the first vowel should be a high tone U. So that would be, and because the standalone vowel, it has the little dot below. And then we would want to do this with the character that represents both N and L and Y, and that is a slant stem and a loop. And then the next part would be to write our O sound, which is a low tone. And so, and the fact that it's not a standalone vowel means that it goes on top of the consonant body. And so we would write that as the low tone that it is. And low tones have their dot on the right. And there we've got uno or ulo or uyo.